Hello students, my name is Professor Supriya Kulkarni from Kekewak College Sandori. Today we are going to learn push down automata in theoretical computer science. Firstly, we will see basic structure of push down automata. A push down automata is a way to implement a context free grammar in a similar way we design DFA for a regular grammar. A DFA can remember a finite amount of information, but a PDA can remember an infinite amount of information. Basically, push down automata is a finite state machine plus a stack. A push down automata has three components. First is an input tape, second is a control unit, and third is a stack with an infinite size. The stack head scan the top of the symbol stack. A stack does two operations. First is push. Push operation is used for a new symbol is added at the top, and second operation is pop. The pop operation is used to the top symbol is read and remove. The PDA may or may not read an input symbol, but it has to read the top of the stack in every transition. The following diagram shows on the left side there is input tape. It takes input to finite control unit. It is accepted or rejected, and uh, the last layer is stack. In this stack we can push or pop the elements. A PDA can be formally described in the 7 tuples that are capital Q, summation, capital S, delta, Q0, I and F. While Q is a finite number of states, summation is a input alphabet, S is a stack symbol, delta is a transition function, Q into summation union epsilon into capital S into Q into capital S star. Next tuple is Q0. Q0 is a initial state belongs to capital Q. This is also called as starting state. I is the initial stack top, that was I belongs to capital S, and F is a set of accepting states, that means final states. The following diagram shows transition in a PDA from state Q1 to state Q2 labeled as A, B gives C. There are two states, that was Q1 and Q2. It holds Q1 is a starting state, Q2 is a final state. It holds A as an input symbol, B as a stack top symbol, and it gives C, that means push symbol. This means at state Q1, if we encounter an input string A and top symbol of the stack B, then we pop B and push C on the top of the stack and move the state Q2. Now we will discuss about terminologies related to PDA. Instantaneous description. The instantaneous description ID of a PDA is represented by triplet, that was Q, W, S, where Q is a state, W is a unconsumed input, and S is the stack content. Next is turnstile notation. The turnstile notation is used for connecting pair of IDs that represent one or many moves of PDA. The process of transition is denoted by a turnstile symbol. This is a symbol of turnstile. Consider a PDA have 7 tuple Q, summation, S, delta, Q0, I and F. A transition can mathematically represented by the following turnstile notation. In first bracket P, AW, T, beta. Now next there was an turnstile notation, and in the next bracket Q, W, AB. This implies that while taking a transition from state P to state Q, an input symbol A is consumed and the top of the stack T is replaced by new string A. Thank you so much student for watching my video.